What a stormy day in the morning, and now the worst of it is over, Lainey, but we're still dealing with those high winds.
Yeah, we're going to deal with the winds through tonight and into tomorrow. Taking a view, this is North Wilkesboro. Earlier today, you'll see the rain that moved through, and then you notice the sunshine out there this afternoon. We do have one little area of rain as that second front comes through that may be in your evening forecast. Otherwise, it's windy, and then in the mountains, it'll transition to some snowflakes, highest elevations. It's windy and cooler tomorrow with temperatures close to 50 degrees, and then by Friday, freezing in the morning. Temperatures a little bit warmer into the upper 50s by late afternoon. Plenty of clouds around. Look at the temps right now. We're 63 in Greensboro, 65 in Winston-Salem, 61 in North Wilkesboro. So really still warm. That cool down is yet to come. That'll happen later on tonight. You can see these high wind gusts from today. That 60-mile-an-hour gust in Burlington had gusts close to 50 miles an hour in Winston-Salem. We do still have the wind advisory out for the mountains and the foothills, and that continues through Thursday night for the Piedmont Triad. That advisory will be dropped around 7 o'clock this evening, but still anticipating gusts 40 to 55 miles an hour, so we could still have some trees down. We could still get some power outages as we head into the nighttime hours, so go ahead and be prepared just in case. Our wind gusts over the last hour have been anywhere between 25 to 40 miles an hour. Sustained winds still out of the southwest ahead of that second front. That's what's keeping us so warm. 15 to 25 mile per hour winds right now. Notice there's a little bit of rain here and then that front just on the other side of the mountains. So we'll keep that small shower chance in for this evening. Can't totally rule out thunder and lightning. We had some of that over Allegheny County, but most of that's kind of building to our north. But we'll at least keep in a mention of maybe some isolated thunder out there. That rain crossing over I-77 right now just north and west of Mount Airy. Rainfall totals today easily a half of an inch in many locations, especially from that line. Some seeing more than an inch of rain, places like Greensboro as well as Mount Airy. As far as additional rainfall, we're not going to see a whole lot. This evening would be that chance for rain. Temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s, so it is turning much colder, especially in the mountains. Cold enough for a little bit of snow. May see some accumulations of an inch or two. Places like Boone, some of those high elevations. Might even see a little light coating in parts of Allegheny County. Tomorrow morning, we're down below freezing in the mountains at 30, 33 in the foothills, and 36 in the Piedmont Triad. Forecast wind chill values will come down. In fact, it will likely feel like it's in the teens in the mountains tomorrow morning. Feels like temperatures will be in the upper 20s across the foothills and Triad. And there's your cold air coming in from the northwest behind that second front that you see out there, and they're getting some snow showers up over the Ohio Valley. Our forecast for tomorrow, maybe a few clouds in the morning, but then sunshine in the afternoon. It's windy still, winds at 15 to 30 miles an hour. It's cooler with a high of 50. In the foothills, we're 33 in the morning, and then notice the temperature climb is only into the upper 40s. We also have that wind advisory that will stay out for the mountains, should say for the foothills tomorrow, with gusts possibly to 45 miles an hour. Windy as well across the area in the mountains during the day tomorrow. Feels like teens in the morning. Temperatures get into the upper 30s by afternoon. Now looking ahead at this weekend, we do have a warm up on the way. It gets a little bit warmer on Friday. We're into the upper 60s on Saturday with a passing shower chance. Very spotty. Don't forget we spring forward Saturday night into Sunday. Daylight saving time begins. Sunset is later, and then we've got some 30s in the morning, but look at that warm up into the 70s for next week.
We have a big headache tonight on Interstate 40 in Guilford County. This is I-40 near Youngs Mill Road. We know